We all stand tonight to honor independence, which came as a result of the vision of our great leaders and the relentless efforts and sacrifices of our forefathers. This day reminds us of the spirit behind the creation of this country. Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah, which was rooted in the ideology emulation theory and the manifest destiny of the Muslims of subcontinent. We are here to reinforce the patriotic spirit of serving our homeland, a land of countless opportunities and immeasurable bounties. Our great country and the nation will inshallah continue to rise in line with the aspirations of our forefathers, the people of Pakistan, and for a bright future of the coming generations.